Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I am here setting up for January, which is insane. We are in 2019 almost. So I have a theme for you guys that I am doing a collaboration on with the account Eclectic Scribbles, which you can find on YouTube and on Instagram. We reached out to each other and we were like, hey, let's do something. And we put a question up to our respective followers and asked them what types of themes that they would want to see. And it just so happens that both of us got kind of this winter animal type theme from our followers. So I will have all of her stuff linked below so that you can go watch her video right after you watch this one. So I have some stuff sketched out, and I found most of these little types of designs on Pinterest, so I am not the best drawer, so just a little hint, if you're not a great drawer, just claim that they're sketches, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna claim these are sketches, and be patient with me because I have a cat on my lap. So I'm gonna go ahead, put on some music, speed you through, and go ahead and get started on everything. Hey everyone, so that is it for this video. Again, I am doing a collab with Amanda from Eclectic Scribbles, and so I'll make sure I link everything below, like I said before. Make sure you go watch her video. She is a much better drawer than I am, so her stuff probably looks very nice compared to mine. So basically we had this Arctic animal theme, so I decided to do this polar bear, which is one of my favorite animals, and I didn't want to be too doom and gloom for the whole beginning of the year, so I was going to do like this massive break off of like the Arctic ice, but instead I just did a few pieces and then kind of had the polar bear looking out, because I didn't want it to be too depressing, but I am an environmental scientist, so of course I kind of wanted to highlight that. So I just have a little nod towards the whole climate change issue, and I have these little pieces of Arctic ice that are for my habits, and I did this cascading effect, which Planning with K does a lot, and I really like how that looks. So I took the colors N60, 528, and 451 to create that cascading effect, and then I added just like a little space in for the header so that I could write the number for each day. And then when I mark off a task, I'm just going to do this little blob of N6 or 528 to mark off that task for the day or that habit for the day. I'm continuing on with my one line a day, pretty standard for my taste. I don't really have a washi tape that I loved for this kit, so I'm just going to keep it a little plain for now, and if I find a washi tape, I'll just put it down here at the bottom. And then I'm bringing back my cleaning tracker because cleaning is important to maintaining your home. So I'm bringing back the cleaning tracker. This is version 3. You can find it in my shop. My shop is on vacation for a little bit because I am doing a whole release of my 2018 as sticker kits. So that will be February 1st is the plan right now. I'm probably going to be doing like a limited release to determine I guess the reaction from you guys to see if you guys like these sticker kits, and then if you guys do, I'll do another batch later that month. But this you can find as a standard in mine, and then I did a little walrus here. My next page is a mood tracker, which I added this little wolf in, and if you guys have seen my spreads before, you know I like doing a lot of lettering styles, and so I like doing my mood tracker as a lettering style. I switched it up this past month, but I do really, it's kind of cathartic to write down your mood and do it in a fancy lettering type way. So I really like doing that, and so I'm going to continue it on for January. And then at the last minute, which is why you can see I have a different shirt on right now, I decided to add this master list and video plan, and I have this cute little deer here, or stag, whatever you want to call it, to do my master list of tasks, and then my Friday video plan. I know I have one from my January setup. I have a YouTube Friday video schedule, so this will be where I put all the videos that I do and when I do them, and I'll probably have a mechanism that allows me to switch things around a little bit. This will be more of a planning style where I go in and I figure out what things I want to look at. For example, if I'm doing a desk tour, I'll write down, oh, I need to show this, 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 and this aspect of my desk, and make sure I have links to where all the items from my desk are and all that kind of stuff. So this is where I'll write down the actual planning aspect of my Friday videos. I have done this in the past, but it's been a while, so I'm really looking forward to doing that again because my videos have been a little chaotic and kind of last minute situations. So having a little bit more of a structure for my videos will be very nice, very nice. So like I said, go see Amanda's spreads. I'll have them linked below. Go check out my 2019 spreads if you haven't seen them already. If you like this theme, thank you guys for suggesting it, by the way. But if you like this theme, press the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that kind of jazz. And I will see you on Monday. Bye, everyone.